In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe Express account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to manage your payments more efficiently, or someone ready to dive into the world of online transactions, this guide will walk you through each step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Stripe Express account set up and ready to go. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Stripe's official website. Open your preferred web browser, type in stripe.com and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the sign in button. Clicking here will direct you to a login page. Next, it's time to enter your account credentials. Input your registered email and password in the respective fields. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up for one, but since today's focus is on setting up your Stripe Express account, we'll assume you have these details ready. After you've filled in your email and password, simply click Sign In. You'll then be taken to your dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all your Stripe activities. From the dashboard, locate the Home button, generally positioned on the left side of the screen. This section gives you an overview of your account status and outstanding tasks. From here, find and click on Settings. You'll typically find this option in a navigation panel or under a menu icon, depending on your screen size. Now within settings, you'll see several categories, but the one we're interested in today is product settings. Under this category, you'll find an option labeled Connect. Click this option, as this is where you'll manage everything related to your Stripe Connect accounts. Once you've entered the Connect section, you'll see options for onboarding. This is crucial as onboarding outlines how new users or platforms will engage with your account. Click on Onboarding to proceed. You're then presented with a list of countries. You'll want to select the country or countries relevant to your business or operations. The choice you make here will affect how payments and account verifications are handled, so make sure to select accurately. After selecting your country, you may see several checkboxes. These are typically agreements or requirements, ensuring you comply with local regulations or Stripe's policies. Take a moment to read through and tick the appropriate boxes. Doing this ensures your account adheres to necessary compliance standards. Finally, you've reached the last step. Once all the information is validated and the necessary box is checked, locate the Save button and click it. This action finalizes your settings and completes the setup process. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up your Stripe Express account ready to navigate the world of digital payments.